Hey folks, Brandon Johnson here, Southern Star Roofing. Hope you guys are having a great day down here in Charlotte, North Carolina today. Wanted to show you the first thing that you would want your roofer to look for if he's inspecting the roof and investigating whether or not there's hail damage or not. The first thing that we do is we check all soft metals. And that's normally what the adjuster is going to do. Obviously, you always want to give an honest opinion, but the first place to start is with the soft metal. So I'm on a roof down here in South Charlotte. I've got a heat stack. I'm gonna flip this thing back around for you. And it's got some bird crap on it, you can tell that. I got some chalk. I'm gonna take a chalk test. So what I'm gonna do here to see if we've got any damage, any collateral damage on this pipe, on this heat stack, is I'm gonna rub this chalk all around. Chalk it up real nice. We've got hail damage at this location. Do you see this indention? The chalk couldn't make it. It punched in the metal, so when I run the chalk over the top of it, the indention's here. You see little hail with indentions here, indentions here. These dimples here, here. Those are all hail impact. Now, at this point in time, I need to check the shingles, because oftentimes it can damage collateral, it can damage the soft metal, but it's got to also damage the shingles. What hail does is it makes impacts on the shingles. It separates the granules, which depreciates the life of the roof. So I'm certainly not going to call this in until I give the shingles a thorough inspection and make sure that I'm advising this property management company on which way to go, whether just to buy the roof retail or whether to get insurance involved. I'm Brandon Johnson. I'm with Southern Star Roofing. We are local to Charlotte, North Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, and Greenville, South Carolina. SouthernStarRoofing.com. Feel free to reach out, and we look forward to taking care of you guys. Thanks so much. Goodbye.